friends, thank you for clicking on my video. Today let's make flavorful pumpkin tomatoes diet soup. I hope you will like it. Dice spring onions and place onion white and onion green separately. Cubes tomatoes. Pumpkin, remove skin and seeds, then cut into small pieces. Stir-fry chopped garlic until fragrant. Add tomatoes cubes. Add pumpkin once tomatoes release red oil. Add 1 big bowl of hot water. Cook until pumpkin turns softened. Season with salt, chicken powder, and pepper powder to taste. You can lightly press the pumpkin into puree. The soup will become sweeter with rich pumpkin flavors. Garnish with spring onion. Nice golden brown soup base. It's yummy. The thick and fragrant pumpkin soup has a sweet aftertaste, a silky texture, and is very delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Pumpkin is rich in vitamin and dietary fiber, and also has low-calorie properties. Eating pumpkin regularly can help lose weight. Pumpkin is rich in pectin, which has good absorption properties and can bind and eliminate various bacteria, toxins, and harmful substances in the body. Therefore, it can play a detoxifying role. Pumpkin peel is edible. The dietary fiber in pumpkin peel has a good effect on delaying blood sugar in the body and is of vital value in controlling the rise of blood sugar. Old pumpkin peel can effectively prevent and treat diabetes, and the effect of lowering blood sugar is also very significant. But be sure to choose fresh, smooth, clean pumpkins without scars or dark spots and bring them to the table for cooking. People with allergies, skin diseases, wind heat colds, stomach problems, weak spleen and stomach, diabetes and other diseases cannot eat pumpkin. People who are allergic to pumpkin should not eat it to avoid inducing allergies in the body and affecting their health. Pumpkin is warm in nature. If you have skin diseases, eating it may aggravate your skin discomfort and you need to avoid eating it. C. The lycopene and vitamin C contained in tomatoes can resist oxidation, help resist ultraviolet rays, promote subcutaneous collagen synthesis, and achieve beauty and whitening effects. BC. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin B, vitamin C, and folic acid, which can speed up wound healing, protect skin and bones, and maintain blood sugar stability. The organic acid contained in it has an appetizing effect, can promote food digestion, and promote calcium absorption in the gastrointestinal tract. Although tomatoes are good for some people, eating a lot of tomatoes in a short period of time can have obvious side effects on the human body. The following 8 categories of people should eat less: people with tomato allergies, people with renal dysfunction, patients with irritable bowel syndrome, people with gastroesophageal reflux disease, heartburn, people prone to stomach pain and abdominal pain, and patients with urinary incontinence and cystitis, migraine sufferers, and people worried about skin discoloration. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.